Look at the magical numbers for gold and silver, as I told several times, 1818 and 2080. Be watchful of these two, and precisely both gold and silver now again at the same levels. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take, whether we can expect a breakout on the downside or it is going to bounce back, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to watch till the end, and do listen to it carefully. Do press the bell icon also. The next analysis on gold will be up just before the US cash session. First, in this analysis, first we look into gold followed with silver. So do listen to it, do watch till the end. Let's start the day. Now see this on the hourly chart, see this was a retracement, then a slighter drop, trying to stabilize here. You can see flatter bottom there, 1818, providing it a stronger support, sustaining below 1818. Yes, we can remain short for 1815, 1812, 1808, 1800 are the support levels on the downside. Be watchful of this. Now I will expect it to bounce back a little on the upside once it breaks past 1822. Here, yes, you can go long above 1822. Next target 1827 and then 1832 zone. This zone between 1827, 1832, 36 is going to be stronger resistance zone. It can try to sustain a tad below these levels only. So probably yes, you can take a long entry here. Then the next target is going to be somewhere here at this peak or a tad lower than this, possibly at around 1826 level. So be watchful. Yes, you can go long at 1822, that is clear. Here on the downside, oscillator trading on the sell side, the directional movement is bearish. The MACD is also trying to converge and crossover for a bullish entry, but right now it is on sell. RSI near to bottom, stochastic near to bottom, but looking upwards, indicating of a little rise. Let's have a look on the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, you can find that it is trying to stabilize here, waiting for a breakout. If it breaks out, I'll be watchful the direction in which it may give the breakout. Basically beyond 1821-22 itself, yes, you can go long here. Probably you can expect a single green candle taking it towards 1824-25 first resistance, and that is going to be a good resistance. Be watchful of that. Beyond that, yes, you can expect it to rise still towards 1828-30, and beyond that also one can expect 1835-36. So I'll be looking forward to it. I will be looking forward to a rise from here possibly, and yes, you can stay long above 1820 levels. The oscillator they are trading on the sell side, and it may try to give you the greener candles from here on the sell side itself. Directional movement is white divergent bearish. MACD is trying to converge on the 2-hour charts. Possibly we may see a crossover. RSI trading near to the bottom, it may slope up, and stochastic was oversold, now trying to look up again. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, here it is a flat bottom, 3 candles getting the support at 1818, trying to bounce back. There is a reversal candle also trying to bounce back here from here. Yes, you can remain long. My expectation for it to hit at least at this zone 1824-25 and then 1828-30. It can probably get a resistance at this zone, else it may try to hit 1835-36 zone again. So be watchful. I'll be bullish on gold. I'll be expecting it to rise. First target for 1824-25, then 1828-30, and then 35-36 levels should be achieved. So yes, you can see the oscillator here on the 3-hour charts is trading on the sell side, trying to converge from here. Possibly we may see greener candles. The directional movement is still bearish, it is divergent. Let's expect for convergence from here. The MACD is also parallel, running parallel. It may start to converge from here. The RSI near to bottom, and the stochastic is oversold. Probably a little reversal can be expected. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, similarly on the 4-hour chart, see diminishing candle size. See the body size here diminishing in nature, indicative of that the bears are failing to take the charge here, failing to keep the control here, and it may try to bounce back. Also, if you look at this, this is kind of a, see, this is kind of a narrowing and flatter bottom there. So probably a breakout here above 1825 will be a good indication further to stay long for 1830-35 levels. We can expect it to achieve those levels. One can stay long with the stop loss at 1818. That is my expectation. The oscillator though is still on the sell side. It may try to give a greener candle from here and try to converge crossover for a bullish move. MACD directional movement is still bearish, trading parallel. Similarly, MACD is also bearish, trading parallel. RSI is flat, looking upwards. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour charts, indicates probably the stochastic may try to cool down a bit. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, this time the reversal can be strong. Be watchful of this. Why I am saying so? See, this was the rise, then this is the retracement here. It has got its support at 1818 and it is trying to rise from here. I'll be looking forward. See, if it breaks out again from here, this is going to be a good bullish rise, and again it can try to achieve highs. Probably it can try to break past even 1850 levels in next couple of days. That is my expectation. So I'll be watchful. Right now it is consolidating. 1836 levels are definitely a very strong resistance, which it might close in this month of June. So you have to be watchful there. And right now with the supported 1818, one can stay long. That is my expectation. Very nearby. But yes, one can stay long. That is my expectation. Again, I am reiterating. And if you look at the oscillator, there's trading on the sell side, may try to converge. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD is also bearish. It is divergent. The RSI is trading flat, and the stochastic is oversold on the daily charts. Considering this, with a stop loss at 18, yes, you can remain long. The target is going to be 1824-25 first, 1828-30 next, 1835-36 the third target. Beyond 1836, sky is the limit. It may try to come back to 1840, 1847, 1850 levels. In fact, break that. That is should be considered a strong breakout. And yes, on the downside, if it breaks below 1818, still there is a support at 1815. Very nearby, it may try to achieve those. But yes, below 1815, there is going to be a sharp break which may try to bring it till towards 1808, 1800 levels. So take your trades accordingly and do trade with the trailing stop loss. Do trade with the stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, lower highs and almost flatter bottom at 2080 levels. A little lower than 2080, I can say 2075. In fact, it has achieved, but it is trying to get the support here. So I'll be watchful of 2090 again. If it breaks past 2090, go long there at 2090. Rather, I'll recommend you to go long itself at 2085 levels. Yes, you can go long for 2090, 2090, 2100 and 2120 levels. So yes, beyond 2100 there is going to be further bullishness. So yes, you can stay long. See, it is trying to converge and give you the greener candles on this chart here. The hourly chart, the directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. The MACD is trying to converge here on the hourly charts. Probably a crossover will bring some bullishness. It is oversold here. On the RSI, the stochastic is looking upwards. Similarly, on the 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour charts, there is still some resistance. It is trying to give you a breakout. It has got the support here on the downside, trying to reverse. Any breakout beyond 2085 level should be a good indication that it is trying to reverse back a bit. Then one can expect 2100, and in fact 2120 should be there. So 2100, 2110, 2120 level should be the target. One can stay long about 2085 levels. On the oscillator, it has seen the high. Probably it may give you the greener candles from here. The directional movement is wide divergent bearish. The MACD is also wide divergent bearish. It may start to converge from here. RSI near to bottom. Stochastic oversold on the 2-hour charts. Hence, a little reversal can be expected. And on the 3-hour charts, similarly, you can find it has formed the bottom, trying to reverse back a bit. The resistance there at 18 or 2085 is going to be strong. Beyond that, one can expect that it is going to be reversing from here. Then 2100, 2110, 2120 levels can be expected. 2120 is a good resistance. Always remember that fact. Beyond that, again 2130, 40 levels should come into picture. Look at the oscillator there on the sell side, trying to give you the highs there. The directional movement is wide divergent bearish, may start to converge. The RSI MACD trying to trade in a with divergence, trying to trade bearish. RSI near to bottom. Stochastic oversold on the 3-hour charts. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts it's near to bottom. It has got its support here and it is trying to bounce back from here. Probably we can expect a little reversal. 2110, 2110 and 2120 levels it can try to achieve before it looks over to a top. In fact, on the upside, 2120 levels should be a very strong resistance for any upward move. Oscillator there trading on the sell side. The directional movement is still bearish. The MACD is still wide divergent and bearish and indicative of further sell there, but be watchful. RSI near to bottom and stochastic is oversold here. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will observe that there is a stronger resistance at 2150. Also, it has got its support. See, you can find out this was the breakout earlier and this is the support zone. So it is again come back to the support zone, trying to take the support from here, trying to bounce back a little. Be watchful. Any breakout beyond 2150 is going to be considered as a bullish reversal in the near term. I will be looking forward to a rise today. Again, 2120 should be the target. So for the day, yes, you can stay long about 2085 and I will be looking forward to 2100, 2110, 2120 levels. and in fact beyond 2120 we can expect 2140 as a target. And on the downside, if you see it trading and sustaining below 2075, yes, you can go short there below 2075, and one can expect it to hit 2050 and below levels. So be watchful of that. 2080 is a very strong support. It may try to bounce back from here. The target is going to be 2120, 2140 levels. So trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on first week of July. This is the 13th batch. Be a part of this. Definitely you can be a proficient and a proficient trader. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. You can join my VIP signals group. The next month is starting soon. You can be part of this. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Yes, do reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email ID and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.